Yes, guys, that's the situation right now. Abantu baphumile bamashile. It's the day that we all been waiting for, June 30th. The hashtag is Abahambe. We have seen Bafetu izinto zenzeka throughout. Later on, I've got a video I'm going to show you la bete behlala khona lapha eThekwini ukuthi sekunjani right now. You really need to see that because Le March and March has been doing great things for black people, especially abantu base South Africa. Laba sebelahlwe kakhulu ama-politician, ama-political party, the March and March stepped in yenza sure ukuthi there must be a change kuyo yonke le confusion ne-nonsense eqhubekayo. Hashtag ngithi nami abahambe. It's been a long time overdue. Now, the reason why I made this video is because Julius Malema posted this yesterday. But what's in a business as usual. 30 June 2026 is a normal working day in South Africa. This thing is not even coming from him. He just posted this thing. I think it's from Parliament or something. But again, uthole ubunzima ku-X la beposte khona yonke lento abantu sebefed up abantu bakhathele ama-politician anamanga ama-politician affiliatekayo nama-drug cartel affiliatekayo nabantu abenza izinto nokuthi nje abenza izinto ezingasile nokudeceive nje abantu thinking kune revolution azoyibringa one time, which is not. So siqalela ngo last day of Thibu. You think it was yesterday when South Africans were backing you up in whatever you do or say? That was yesterday, today. To us, you are just like a piece of paper tossing and turning in the dusty streets of Gamakongwa in Masheshane. I think that is more based in Limpopo because the guy is from Limpopo. We didn't spend the loot with you. Therefore, South Africa is our only home and we will fight for it. Wena leshoboro ke wena la go fela o kare o meditse trata. You are just a clown to us. And it was not only that, guys. People were writing all sorts of things, but I just chose a few comments from X. But when it was you and your party organizing marches, you wanted everything to stop. May the people continue to rejecting you and your nonsense. I think this is the hard one. This is the really hard one. Guys, I have a video, like I told you before, that I'm about to show you ukuthi sekunjani lapha eThekwini labo kufika kade belinde khona amabhasi abo. But before I even go there, abantu they also did this to Malema, guys. George Orwell, Animal Farm, nangela phana izimvu zakhe lezi ezilokhu CSI angazi ukuthi umuntu ngempela mfethu osathu follower lo mjita nje what's going on in your head, because seriously can't you see ukuthi lo mjita is leading us to something esingayazi. And also, guys, I'm gonna be selling this merchandise, ama-hood nama-tracksuit nekipa namakepisi, DOP Durban Online Podcast. And if you have reached this far, please like, subscribe, and make sure you leave a comment about this whole situation. This is the video that I've been promising you guys. Please watch it and tell me, what do you think about Imagine March? Are they doing the good job? Are they doing the God's work? Or maybe they are just fooling around? Thank you so much. Let's watch. As you can see, lana bafethu begcwele abantu beze bekaphakela ngaphandle, but today, June 30 in the morning, there is nobody. there is nobody in there. Angazi noma beqile bebelekela uJune 30 noma mhlambe bathathwe amabhasi baphela inyama, but bebebaningi kabi labantu guys, bebaningi indlela esimanga. So guys, stick around, please watch more of my videos coming up la escreenini. Ngajabulela nje ukubona usubscribe, like and share, and don't forget to leave a comment. Angiphathekile kahle guys kwi-health system because khonto engiyidlile kanti I'm allergic kuyona. Hopefully ngizoba great. And thank you so much to those guys who came into my show, a blind date with Fly Machine, with Celeste Abilapana Epinbeck. More shows are coming up. Thank you. See you just now.